Hey guys, Sneaky Pete. We got a stain in the bottom of the pool. You can see it right in the center of your screen there. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. What it is that actual stain is from fertilizer, and I had a dozen of those stains in my pool, and this is one of the last ones. So I'm going to show you how to get it out. Metal in the fertilizer is what causes stain. So a lot of pool stains can be removed by using acid. How are you going to do that? How are you going to get the acid on the bottom of your pool without draining your pool? Well, okay, what you're looking at is something I found on Amazon. It looks like it's called Outspot. What it does is it hold on a second. Comes apart. You pour the acid in this thing here, and then while you're hovering it over the spot, it kind of seeps out of the bottom, and the acid will react with the metal in the stain, and that's what it does. It's dissolving the metal in the stain. That's how the stain is taken care of. So basically, I'm about to put some acid in this puppy, and we're going to see what it can do. And I found this one on Amazon for like, I think it was $50, but man, it was worth it. Alrighty. So I've got my acid, and you should always wear gloves working with this stuff. Which I'm not. I'm out of gloves. Safety gear. Do not breathe this stuff. It'll burn your lungs, like permanently. Actually, the stuff that I get at Leslie's Pool Supply, it's not nearly as scary as the stuff they sell at Lowe's. So I put some acid in there. I can smell it. You can see it smoking. Put the cup back on here. This thing is really clever. And then you just drop it in there, and you just simply. So I've got it sitting on top of the stain there, as you can see, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing. It's just a patience game, really, at this point. What are you doing, girl? You're not supposed to be out. What does she do? What does she do? Where'd she go? Anyway, so I'll just pause it for now because you don't want to watch the next. Probably takes like 7 or 8 minutes, and sometimes you have to do it like 2 or 3 times. So, all right, here's where we're at. I just added more acid to my little whatever you call this thing, stain remover tool, I guess, and it's just about got it. Sometimes it takes like 3 applications, but essentially what the acid's doing is it's eating any kind of iron out of the stain is the trick, and it's just about got it. I think I'm going to be done here with this one in a second. I'm going to go look for another stain. I think I know of another stain on the deep end of the pool. We might be able to work on that one a little bit. I have about 90% of it gone. In fact, once I walk away, I might not be able to find it again, but just has a little bit right at the end. It's being stubborn, but that's how you get rid of those stains. I also have a wire brush, but it does absolutely nothing. So if you're thinking about buying one, you could try it. I don't know if you could see these weird bubbles coming up, but it's these bubbles are coming up because the chemical is reacting, and as the acid eats the metal. See these weird bubbles coming up. I don't know if you can see them, but let me bring this in tighter. You can see bubbles coming off the left side of it. I think that's the chemical. Okay, so it's the next morning, and I'm going to take a look and see. I do not see that stain, so I think it worked because the stain is now gone. So that was a pretty easy fix. Get your tool off Amazon for 50 bucks and get you some muriatic acid, and be careful, wear gloves, wear safety equipment, and if those stains are metallic in nature, then the muriatic acid should take them off. So please hit that subscribe button, and I'm already working on the next video. So I've got 20 more, at least 15 more that I'm planning. So hit that subscribe button